Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series, Standard Senior KG Semester 1 book. We have completed capital and small letters A to Z. A to Z, that is capital A, small A for apple. Capital B, small B for ball. Capital C, small C for cat. Capital D, small D for doll. Capital E, small E for egg. Capital F, small F for fish. Capital G, small G for goat. Capital H, small H for hut. Capital I, small I for ink pot. Capital J, small J for jug. Capital K, small K for kite. Capital L, small L for leaf. Capital M, small M for mango. Capital N, small N for nest. Capital O, small O for orange. Capital P, small P for parrot. Capital Q, small Q for quill. Capital R, small R for rabbit. Capital S, small S for seal. Capital T, small T for tomato. Capital U, small U for umbrella. Capital V, small V for van. Capital W, small W for watch. Capital X, small X for X-ray. Capital Y, small y. Capital Y, small y for yak. Capital Z, small Z for zebra. So, we have completed yesterday till page number, the words till 20, vowel activity. That is all the A, E, I, O, U sound, all the words we have completed till page number 20. Today you open page number 21. Read the sentences. Read the sentences A, E, I, O, U sounds. Read aloud and match the sentences with their picture. One has been done for you. One has been done for you. A cat and a rat. A cat and a rat. See here. One has been done for you. The a pen and a hen. Where it is pen and hen? See here it is. A pen and a hen. See. Yes. This way. A pin and a tin. Where it is a pin and a tin? Here down it is. See here. Yes. Can you? Yes, this one. Now, a mug and a jug. A mug and a jug. See here. Mug and a jug. A dog and a log. That is first one. This way you have to write. Page number 21. Now open page number 22. This is, that is. This is, that is. Page number 22. This is, that is. We use this to point at an object or a thing which is near. Which is near. We use that to point at an object or a thing that is far away. Far away. Let us read. Let us read. This is an apple. This is an apple. That is a tree. See here. The distance which is near to you. Which is near to you. And see here. That is far away from you. That is far away from you. That is a tree. This is a leaf. This is a leaf. This one. This is leaf. It's near to you. That is a flower. That is a flower. This is a jug. This is a jug. That is a mug. This is a jug. That is a mug. That is a mug. This is a kite. This is a kite. That is a balloon. That is a balloon. This is a cat. This is a cat. That is a rat. That is a rat. The things which is near to you, this is called as this. And the thing which is far away from, that is a tree. That is a flower. That is a mug. This is a leaf. This is a flower. This is a leaf. This is a mug. This is a kite. This way you have to read. Now come to the page number 23. This or that. This or that. Look at the pictures and write this or that. Look at the picture and write this or that. See here. Is it here? No. What will you write? That. Write here. T-H-A-T. That. That is a well. That is a well. Now see here. It's near, no? This. Okay. See this. This is a tap. This is a tap. Here also see, it's near to you. This. T-H-I-S. This. This is a duck. This is a duck. Then, see here. That, which is far away from you. That right here. T-H-A-T. That is a chick. That is a chick. Now see here again. Now you tell me. Yes, this. T-H-I-S. This is an ant. This is an ant. That. T-H-A-T. That. That is an elephant. That is a doll. That is a doll. Now see here, it's near to you. This is a book. Now right here, this T-H-I-S. This is a book. This is a book. Now come to the page number 24. These are, those are. These are, those are. We use these for things that are near. We use those for things that are far. That are far. These are bells. These are bells. Those are dolls. Those are dolls. Those are dolls. These are leaves. These are leaves. Those are trees. Those are trees. Those. These near. Those far away. Those are trees. These are balls. These are balls. Those are bats. Those are bats. These are flowers. Those are fruits. Those are fruits. These are flowers. These are bells. Those which is near. We use these for things that are near, and those are for things which is far away from you. Things far away, that are far from you. Have you understood? Now come to the page number 25. These or those. These or those. Look at the pictures and write these or those. See here. It's near, no? Near. It's near. These are bananas. These are bananas. See here where the idlis, where these eggs are. See here. Those are eggs. Those. It's far away from you. Is it not? Yes. Now see here. Is it near? Is it near to you? Yes. These are ducks. These are ducks. Those here. Again. Is it here? No. Is it near to you? No. It's far away. So those are peacocks. Those are peacocks. See. This is near to you. These are mangoes. Those are apples. Here. Those are apples. Those are candles. These are cups. These are cups. See here. These are cups. In this way you have to write these or those. Have you understood? Have you understood these and those? Now come to the page number 26. On, in, under. On, in, under. Page number 26. On, in and under are the words which are used to tell where the things or objects are placed. Where the things, under, on, in, it shows where the things are placed, where the things are kept. That now let us learn where they are. The doll is on the bed. See here, the doll is on the bed. A man is in the van. He is not on the van, he is in. ये अंदर बैठा है देखो. Now, a cat is under the chair. A cat is under. On means up. On. And this is in, inside, under. And this is under, niche. A cap is on the tap. A cap, see here, cap is on the tap. The boat is under the bridge. The boat is under the bridge. See, can you see now? It's going inside, under the bridge. The lion is in the den. The lion is in the den. Have you understood? Now come to page number 27. Page number 27. Learn to say yes or no. Learn to say yes or no. Yes or no. Is this an apple? Is this an apple? Yes, this is an apple. Yes, it is. What you should say? Is this an apple? Yes, it is. Is this a hen? Yes. Is this a hen? No, it is not. It is not. Is this a doll? Is this a doll? No, it is not. It is not. It is not. Is this a camel? Is this a camel? Yes, it is a camel. You should write here, yes, it is a camel. Is this the sun? Is this the sun? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Is this a donkey? You can see here, is this a donkey? No, it is not. It is not a donkey, it is a monkey. It is a monkey. Come to page number 28. Come to page number 28. Open page number 28. He, she, it. We use he to represent a boy. We use he to represent a boy. We use she to represent a girl. It is used when we talk about animals or things. He is used to represent a boy. She is used to represent a girl, and it is used when we talk about animals or object. So let's see page number 28. See here, Rekha is a girl. Rekha is a girl. Rekha is name of a girl. She is 6 years old. Yes, we have, means what we have done here? Girl. Rekha is a girl, and she, he, she, it. For girl, what we have to represent? She. S-H-E, she is 6 years old. She is 6 years old. Amit is a boy. He is standing. See, he is to present a boy. See, this one is a boy. Amit, his name is Amit. For Amit, we call he. He is used to represent a boy. She is a girl, she is a boy, and this is a cat. It is white cat. This is a cat. You can see, no? For it is used when we talk about animals or objects. This is animal. So, it is a white cat. It we have used here. This is a cat. It is a white cat. We have used it. For animals or object, we use it. Fill in the blanks with he, she or it. Yash likes apples. He eats apples every day. He eats apples every day. We have to write here he. Then Tina goes to school. Tina goes to school. She is very clever. She is very clever. This is an axe. It is used to cut trees. This is an axe. It is used to cut trees. The pot is red. The pot is red. It is made up of clay. It is made up of clay. Page number 28. Come to page number 28. Page number 28. A or an. A or an. Among the 26 alphabets in the English alphabets. Among the 26 letters in the English alphabets, 5 letters A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. The remaining letters are called consonants. And A, E, I, O, U, what they are called? They are called the vowels. And remaining letters are called consonants. We use A before words that starts with consonants, and we use an before words that starts with vowels. Now let's see. Look at the examples given below. Fill in the blanks with A or an. See here. An orange. A ball. A flower. An apple. Where you get the vowels A, E, I, O, U, there you have to write an. And ball, flower, F, this is consonant letter. There you have to write A. An orange, A ball, A flower, an apple. Then see here. E is there. A, E, I, O, U, E, an. And right here. An egg. Then K is a consonant. So right here A, kite. Then O, A, E, I, O. O is again here vowels. So right here an. An owl. O-W-L. Owl is there, no? O is there. So you write here an owl. Then dash mango. M is also consonant. So write A mango. So cup. C is also consonant, right? A cup. U is here. See here. U. A, E, I, O, U. U is there. And right here. An urn. Then dash car. A car. C is a consonant. So we have written here A car. Then I. A, E, I is there? No. This is vowels. A, E, I, O, U. I is there. And igloo. Okay. Now page number 30. Open page number 30. That is activity. Fill in the blanks with A or an. I am a child. I am a child. The cat has a fish. Then dash is there, no? Here write an. A is there, see, an. A or an you have, with this A or an you have to fill in the blank. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Then I take, right here, an umbrella. Umbrella U, A-E-I-O-U. An umbrella to school. I take an umbrella to school. The dog has a tail. The dog has a tail. My mother gave me an orange. An orange. My mother gave me an orange. O, A-E-I-O. Then, owl flew past my window. An owl. See, A-E-I-O is there, so we have written here an. An owl flew past my window. I went for dash walk today. W, consonant. A. I went for a walk today. I was given, I is there, A-E-I. So, an ice cream at the party. There was dash elephant at the zoo. A-E. E is there. So, this is an oval. So, this is an oval. A-E. No, so we have written here an. A, and. There was an elephant at the zoo. So, we have completed from page number 21 to 30. We have completed from page number. The homework is, today's homework is A to Z, capital and small letters you write for 2 pages and read and write from page number 21 to page number 30. 30 till where I have taught activity. From activity, the first page will be 21, page number 21. That is, you reading the sentences. A cat and a rat, from there till page number 30. Activity 10 are there. Fill in the blanks, 10 are there. 21 to 30 you have to write for one time. Page number 21 to 30, write 21 to 30 one time. Okay, this is the homework for today. We will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.